So given these closures and the changes to the memorial, could all of this be signs of a second wave of COVID-19?
Haley Nelson has been talking with medical experts about that and precautions we can all take. So Haley, what are they telling you?
Well, Stacia, some medical experts say it may be too soon to take that call, and we heard from national leaders today saying that we are still, they believe, in the first wave of COVID-19, but doctors are telling me still a time to remember those safety precautions. Columbus restaurants temporarily closing doors.
I'm not going to stay open with any employee having symptoms or testing positive.
The Memorial Golf Tournament changing course, no fans in person.
We need to be responsible.
It has some wondering, could these changes and recent COVID-19 numbers signal the start of a second wave?
Do you have any insight on that?
I think honestly maybe a little bit too early to tell whether or not it is the start of the second wave. From what Dr. Fauci has said at the national level, we have yet to exit the first wave.
I talked to Dr. Zach Jenkins about these latest updates. He's an associate professor at Cedarville University and a clinical specialist in infectious diseases.
And I do think that we'll probably see if there is indeed a second wave, it's probably going to occur at different areas of the country at different intervals.
But some numbers in Ohio could indicate health leaders are learning more about COVID-19.
On Sunday, we saw the largest drop in the number of deaths that were reported since COVID really started. And so that's pretty telling that we're getting better at managing these patients by and large.
All this as messages swirl about the impact of wearing a mask. We've seen communities move to mandate that behavior in public. So could a mask weaken your immune system, as some claim?
There's not really any substantial evidence to say that it would weaken your immune system in any appreciable way.
What about claims it lowers blood oxygen levels?
If you think about it, we've had people wearing masks in healthcare for ages, and we've seen no real appreciable problems that have arisen from that.
And he said the case could be different, however, for people with severe lung conditions. And we did hear from Dr. Anthony Fauci today, who says he believes we are still, quote, knee-deep in that first wave of the COVID-19 pandemic. Live near downtown Columbus, I'm Haley Nelson, ABC 6 News.